Welcome to setting up your Spectrum Mobile voicemail. We'll guide you through the quick steps to get started. Spectrum Mobile voicemail is enabled by default on all plans, so you can start using it right away. To set it up, dial star 86 from your Spectrum Mobile phone. This connects you directly to the voicemail system. Alternatively, you can access the voicemail tab in the My Spectrum app for a more convenient setup. First, record a personalized greeting up to 30 seconds long for your callers. If you don't record one, a generic greeting will be used. Next, create a secure 4 to 8 digit PIN. This is mandatory and protects your voicemail from unauthorized access, especially when checking remotely. Finally, configure alerts to notify you of new voicemails via SMS, email, or push notifications through the app. Customize your greetings for personal or business use, and even create multiple greetings for different situations. Customize your greetings for personal or business use, and even create multiple greetings for different situations. Keep your PIN secure. If forgotten, reset it via the app or customer service after verification. To manage alerts, choose your preferred method: SMS, email, or app push notifications. Some plans offer transcription previews, allowing you to read your voicemails. Spectrum Mobile Voicemail stores messages in the cloud for up to 30 days. For optimal app integration, ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS or Android version. AI-powered transcription and spam filtering is available as of 2025.